Hello everyone, today I will show you login and registration using PHP without using any database. Normally in login registration, of course we need to store the user information into database, but in this video I will show you how to create login and registration without using database. In this case, we will store the user information into text file, and it is also called PHP file handling or file management. This is the login form. First of all, we have to sign up if we do not have account. So click on sign up. Here we can see the sign up form. Now we have to fill up the form. Here you can see enter username, email, password, address, and upload your image. Now we have to fill up the form. You have to upload your image. Now we have to click on sign up. Now I have to go to the text file that I have linked with the sign up page. So I will go to that project folder. Of course, make sure that you have stored the project folder in XAMPP server htdocs subfolder, okay? And my project name is online examination system. So I have stored it inside the XAMPP server and htdocs. That means this is the XAMPP server folder, and inside the htdocs you have to upload your project. So this is my project, and I have linked the text file with the sign up form that I have already registered. This is the folder file storage. In this folder I have stored text file, and it is users.txt. It is a text file. So I will visit this text file, and here we can see my registration information. I have given it is the username, this is the email, this is password, this is address, and this is the image name, okay? So after registration, we can see the information is stored into the text file, okay? So this is the text file where information has been stored. So we have done it without using database. Now I want to log in. So I have to give the email and the password. If I click on login, here we can see we have successfully logged in. And we have used the session. So if we want to try to go back, here we can see we can't. So if I try to go to the sign up page, here you can see it is taking us to this home.php because we have used the session. If we click on logout, then it will take back to the index.php. Now if I want to redirect to the home.php, it is again taking us to the index.php. So without login, we can't enter into the home.php because we have used the session. You can see that we have done it without using database. We have used the text file. I mean our users information will be stored to the text file. So this is called PHP file management or file handling. So you can use it like the database, but it is not very good practice for big project. You can do it for short project. Now I will show you the whole source code. So this is our project. So we have designed our simple login registration system using HTML and CSS, and for the developing purposes we have used the PHP. So this is the index.php page. Now I will scroll down. Here we can see we have used HTML CSS to design it, and this is our simple login form, and the login will be processed in login process.php. Here you can see in form we have written down the action file as login process.php. So after filling the login form, it will taking us to the login process. In this case, we are matching the file information with the given email and the password. If it is matched, then it will go to the home.php, and as we have used the session, of course we have to start session. And if we click on logout, then it will take back to the logout.php. In this case, the session will be destroyed and it will redirect to the index.php. And this is the signup.php. Here we have the sign up information, sign up form. So after filling the sign up form, if we click on submit, it will take us to the sign up process.php. So this is the sign up process. So it will insert our sign up information to the text file. Here we can see we have take a sequence: username, email, password, address, and image path. Here we can see username, email, password, address, the image path. So in this way our system works without database. So we have done it using PHP file management. That means we have done it without database. Our all user information will be stored into the text file. This is very simple. In my next video, I will try to make full tutorial on PHP file management. In this case, you can learn how to insert, update, delete and different type of CRUD operation in text file. I will give you the full project on my video description box, from where you can download it and you can use it.